to another Trendy Talia video. The summer months are finally here. I thought it would be perfect for me to share with you all what is inside of my pool bag. And be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video to see how you can look trendy on a budget sitting poolside. Okay, so here is what my pool bag looks like. It is a black tote bag with rose gold trim, and it's actually from Bath & Body Works. I just have to give a big thank you to my grandma down in Florida who actually gifted me this tote bag. It's super cute and it's perfect to use for the beach or the pool, and I love it, and thank you so much, Grandma. Alright, so moving on to see what kind of goodies I have inside of my pool bag. The first item you can find in my pool bag is this clear tote bag with a unicorn on it. It's super cute. My husband bought it for me from Walmart. He saw the unicorn and he thought of me. So cute. And right now I store some sunscreen in here, but you can also use this as a wet swimsuit holder. So let's say you're out swimming and you're done swimming, you change into some clean, dry clothes. You can store your wet swimsuit in here. That way you don't have to throw it back in your bag and it gets everything else in your bag wet. This is perfect to have. So like I said, I do have a few sunscreens in here. This is Copper Tone Sun Tanning Lotion Sunscreen. It's SPF 15. I like to use this to get a little bit of a tan while I'm out by the pool. The next one I have is just a regular sunscreen. It's a sport sunscreen lotion, SPF 50. I also have this Australian Gold spray sunscreen with instant bronzer. I haven't tried this yet, but I like to get a little bit of a tan while I'm out in the sun, so I'm gonna see how this works, and who knows, if it works great, then I will give a review for you guys. Also in my little clear tote bag, I have a lip balm. This is an SPF 30 by Australian Gold. It's just gonna help protect my lips from the sun, because you can also get sunburn on your lips. I know, kind of crazy, right? But this is very moisturizing, and my lips do tend to get dry while I'm out by the pool, so I do have some lip balm. And then I have some hand sanitizer. This one's called Mermaid Life from Bath & Body Works. Smells super good and just keeps my hands clean whenever I'm done getting out of the pool, and maybe I'm gonna go grab something to eat afterwards. And then I also have my sunglasses in here. These are just the same ones that I had in my What's in My Purse video a couple months ago. These ones are from, I believe, either TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of the two places. This is what they look like on. They're by Oscar de la Renta, and they're just gonna help block the sun out of my eyes while I'm out in the pool area. These next two items are super cute. The first one I have to show you is a tumbler cup with a magical unicorn on it that says Stay Magical, and it goes perfectly with this floating drink holder. You just stick it in like so, and then you have your drink floating in the pool with you. That way you can stay hydrated, and it just looks super cute. And both of these are from Five Below. I also have a tiny Bluetooth speaker inside of my pool bag. It's super cute. It changes colors. It has unicorns. It has princess crowns. It has hearts. It has lollipops. All four of those things that represent me. I thought, hey, what's a pool party without any music? And this actually plays music pretty well. Okay, enough dancing. And maybe I just want to relax out by the pool, so I do have a book in my pool bag. This one is called Mermaids: The Myths, Legends, and Lore by Sky Alexander. It's not actually a story, but it is a bunch of myths and legends about mermaids, and the illustration is beautiful. It has pictures in here of mermaids, and the font is blue. I just thought this would be a perfect summer read for out by the pool. Last but not least, we can't forget a beach towel, a pool towel. Whatever it is you do this summer, whether it's the beach or the pool, I do have one here inside of my bag that is from Five Below with a giant mermaid tail on it. Woohoo! It says Mermaid Sleeps Here. It's super cute, and I love feeling like a mermaid while I'm out by the water. And that includes everything for my pool bag. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a big old thumbs up if you guys did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to catch more trendy videos posted weekly. Now, let's go outside where I can show you this trendy and expensive look that I am wearing perfect for the beach or the pool. I hope you all have a magical day, and I will see you next time. Mwah! Bye!
Through my